Hello everyone, hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to Taconson. So for this video I just want to show you how to make instant custard using bird custard. If you know me, you know I already love bird custard, but before I get to the video, I just want to take this opportunity to thank all the people that have watched my videos that I showed as an introductory video to this video. Okay, how to make milk custard and how to make basic custard. And thanks for subscribing. Please continue sharing with others. I know you're helping many people who are doing this custard struggle, because I've realized that making custard can be tricky for a lot of people. So for this video, I'll be showing you how to make instant custard. It is quite different from my other videos in that you do not need cold water first. So I really advise you continue watching and I will explain. So, how to make instant custard. Most of the recipes or other custards are often the same. For today, I'm using Buzz instant custard, and in this one, it has 3 sachets in it. Read the instruction and follow the instruction. That will be your key. Any custard that you have, use their instruction. I'm using Buzz's instruction, and most of these instructions are often the same when it comes to instant custard. So, in this sachet, there is a custard. One difference between normal custard and instant custard is that everything is put in the milk, the sugar, so you don't need it, and you skip the cold water part. This is hot water method. You only need hot water to make instant custard. Sorry guys. So empty out your custard in a bowl and don't be deceived by the look of it. It doesn't come out big at all. So the whites that you see in there is the milk combined and everything else. And then slowly and gently add some water, hot water. Stop, because if you notice here, there's been a lot of lumps. That thing was gathering lumps like volcano. So I decided to stop. I don't know if that is a good metaphor, but hey, I decided to stop because I had to make sure that all the lumps are gone. Okay, this recipe only need hot water. So take your time, make sure that all the lumps in your custard is out of the way before you add any extra hot water. Listen, I was doing lump reduction in this video. I continued, it was a lot of lumps. So I think that I found that with other custard, because I did a trial with Tesco custard, instant custard, and that taught me a lesson. I tried to use the method I showed in my milk video. I didn't work. It came out quite watery. So I followed the instructions on the sachet. It worked. So follow the instruction on your sachet of custard. So at this point, as long as you are happy with the consistency, that's fine. I just added a little bit more water to loosen up the thickness of it, and as you can see, all the lumps are gone. And we are happy and ready to eat custard as breakfast again. For those who are asking, custard breakfast, yes, is a light breakfast to have. Anyways, share this video, subscribe and like. Please share. I can't overemphasize on the importance of sharing, because you're helping someone else. Custard making is a struggle, people. You're helping someone else, somebody who needs the help. Please share with someone else, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, because then that shows YouTube that this video is actually making a difference, and it also helped me know that I'm making a difference. Put it in your video playlist so that you don't forget how to make it. Thank you. Bye.